Have you ever dreamed of learning traditional Japanese gift wrapping techniques in Japan? Experiencing orikata, orisue, and furoshiki firsthand in the heart of an ancient city? This autumn, we invite you to a one-of-a-kind 4-day retreat, The Art of Japanese Tsutsumi and Tradition. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in the elegance of Japanese wrapping culture while connecting with like-minded people from around the world. For the past 20 years, I have studied the art of wrapping and shared its techniques with people across the globe. But wrapping is more than just a technique. It's a philosophy that reflects life itself. I created this program because I wanted to explore the depths of tsutsumi together, in person, in Japan. I'm honored to co-host this experience with Satoko Ozaki, Director of the Furoshiki Research Association and a passionate advocate for preserving and sharing traditional Japanese art. Together, we believe in keeping these time-honored techniques alive and passing them on to the world. Japan has a long-standing tradition of creating beauty with mindfulness and intention. Through tsutsumi, the art of wrapping, we want you to experience this philosophy, not just learn, but feel its essence and carry it forward in your own way. At the heart of this retreat lies Ichigo Ichie, the belief that every encounter is a once-in-a-lifetime moment to be cherished. This retreat was designed with that spirit, offering experiences that will leave you inspired and deeply moved. Here's what we have in store for you. This retreat was born from a heartfelt wish to share the depths and beauty of tsutsumi in an immersive way. From the historical elegance of orikata and orisue to the ever-evolving artistry of furoshiki, this experience goes beyond what any online course can offer. Did you know that the Japanese character tsutsumi means to wrap and originates from an ancient pictogram of a mother embracing her child? Wrapping in Japan is not just about covering an object. It is an act of care, respect, and sincerity. During this retreat, you will not only learn traditional wrapping techniques in Japan, but also explore the deeper philosophy behind them, refined over 1,000 years. Beyond wrapping, this retreat is designed to awaken all 5 senses and immerse you in Kyoto's rich artistic heritage. You will craft kyokarakami washi paper alongside master artisans, visit a historic furoshiki factory and personalize your own piece, experience Kodo, the way of incense, a meditative art form intertwined with tsutsumi. Learn the intricate techniques of kumihimo, traditional Japanese braiding. From breathtaking seasonal landscapes to encounters with master craftsmen, Kyoto offers the perfect setting for deep cultural exploration. Of course, there will be time to slow down. Enjoy beautifully prepared Kyoto cuisine, share stories, and truly immerse yourself in the experience. The retreat isn't just about learning techniques. It is about creating memories, deep connections, and a renewed appreciation for the beauty of tradition. If you feel drawn to this experience, we would love to welcome you to Kyoto. Let's embrace every surprise, every emotion, and every moment with all our senses. See you in Kyoto.